Hello makers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really happy to have you back. Yes, you heard me right. So today I decided to make an interesting project. I did Ferris Wheel. Ferris Wheel is mostly found in amusement park. Yup. And in this project I decided to use some homemade materials like ice cream stick, paper cup and carton to get this done. And I hope you're going to watch this project to the end, and I also hope you enjoy it. Alright, see you. So in this project I used ice cream stick, paper cup and carton. I had to cut the carton into circular shape and I created a hole in it. After that I had to place the ice cream stick on the circular shape I created, and I had to put the sticks in a heptagonal shape, which is giving the shape of the Ferris wheel. I also repeated the same process, and I created two heptagonal shapes, or we can call it two wheels. And I also put some sticks on the wheels. So at this stage is being completed. The next stage is for me to join the second wheel to the other wheel. So I had to use my bamboo stick to connect them together, and this is giving my Ferris wheel shape. So at this point I needed to create a base structure for the wheel. So I had to use my ice cream stick to form a triangle shape. I would call it that. And I did it in two parts. And I also needed to create a base for it. After creating the base, I had to hang the wheel on the base I created. In order to create my gondola, which is also known as the Ferris wheel seat, I had to improvise using a paper cup. So I had to cut the cup into the shape, to give it that seat shape. So after that, I had to decorate the cups. I tried to use a sellotape, a design sellotape, to wrap it around the cups. Around the seats. I improvised it. And I also tried to create holes, in order to tie rope through the hand. So this is my wheel. So after that, I had to tie the seat or the cup or whatever around the wheel, and this is my Ferris wheel. I hope you enjoyed the project, and I also hope to see you in my next project. Thank you for watching. Bye.